What's going on, Alphas? Today we got another video for you. I'm React Chris. I haven't been here in a while, but I'm back. I'm back making videos. We all are back and making videos. That's how we're doing it. We're going to do 4 videos a week. The schedule is going to be posted after this intro. You're going to be loving it. See you in the video. It's going to be about Jeffree Star. Meet my new Pomeranian puppy, lucky number 7. Oh, Jeffree Star's back. You already know. This Jeffree Star king right here. But let's get to the video. It's going to be a good one. Let's get to it.
Morning.
All right, Jeffree Star video. What's up?
Good.
If you like Jeffree Star videos, let me know in the comments. And 20 likes, I'll do another one. Jeffree Star going on his airplane.
Welcome back to my channel.
Nothing much, Jeffree Star.
Now, hello everyone. It's 2021,
Hi, how
and
are
today
ya?
we're doing a quick little day trip where we're gonna go pick up my new daughter. Oh my God!
Yes,
it's
your
time
daughter, your
for a new
puppy.
and it's time for lucky number 7.
go.
And also, you guys,
Lucky number 7.
ready for this? Chris, I've been growing out my eyebrows.
Oh, whoa.
So I don't know how rough I look right now, but I have been in Wyoming, obviously, and I'm
can't
like,
even
I haven't
see
grown
it.
them back since 11th grade. That was a very, very long time ago. That was like
11th grade?
1800 BC or
Damn.
something. So I'm growing them out. But today, more importantly, we're here to get Miss. Should I say her name? Yeah. I think
no,
her
don't say
name
her
is
name.
gonna be
What is her name?
Donatella. Oh my God, I think
Donatella?
so. She
What
looks
is that for a
sophisticated.
dog?
She looks elegant. So basically, my friend has Da Vinci's mother. We all know and love Da Vinci. He turns
Da
3
Vinci?
later this summer, and I'm gonna get Da Vinci's sister. So my friend has her, and it's so special and amazing. So we're going for a
He's Da
very
Vinci.
quick trip, meaning
And he's
flying somewhere,
also-
getting a dog, and coming
you can
right
get
back. We also all
Donatella,
got
and your
tested
friend
for
has Da
COVID
Vinci?
yesterday.
Oh, that's cute.
Of course, we're all negative, and you have to stay safe out there.
Yes,
But yeah,
let's
you
go.
guys, we
Stay
are
safe.
on the way. Let's hit the runway.
Let's go. Hit the runway.
Okay, so I can't meet my new daughter looking busted, so Boom is gonna do
Oh
a quick
my
makeup
gosh,
beat.
you
on
have
the
to
jet right
wear
now.
your makeup. Always.
Is this the hot seat? Sure is.
Always promotion, always makeup. That's a nice view. Oh my. So much makeup.
Last night it was so hard to sleep because I was so excited for the new puppy. Now last
I
year
would
we all
be
know I
excited
got
for it.
dominatrix and dessert. COVID
love my dog
was
Snickers.
really just starting to happen, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get dogs and stay home for the rest of the year. So now that COVID is still very rampant, I thought, you know what? I'm ready for one final dog, lucky number 7, and today she's coming home.
Number
And
7.
I'm just so excited. I keep jumping up and down in my seat, that girl. So I want her to meet me at my full potential with a little bit of makeup. So we're gonna get glam,
Of
and then we'll be
course.
there in an hour. Friend, have you ever
Of
done
course,
makeup on an
yeah.
actual moving airplane?
This is the first
Who
time. I was
puts
really
makeup on
doing
an
makeup
airplane?
at the Motel 6, and now we're doing makeup on jets, bitch.
Yeah, isn't it so cool? Yes.
It's the journey.
Crazy,
It's that
crazy.
big energy, honey.
Always.
We may not be doing an orgy on this jet because it's a little small, but we're using the orgy pilot today.
A little that.
It's a classic, and it's a staple for any artist.
What kind of name is that?
Oh my God, I swear I didn't come. It's the air pressure in the
Makeup, it's like-
foundation.
Really just coming out.
You get my
Oh my
outfit a little judge,
gosh.
a little maker here. Let's see if it will come out. If not, I don't obviously care, but it's a
His tracksuit got a stain.
Oh, she's in there, bitch.
She's full coverage cut.
Yeah, she's in there. At least my new daughter will know that I like makeup. Oh my God. I thought we used all the
Your daughter
foundation
has
on
to,
my
like,
knee,
know.
but we actually have a little
That's all
left
you
for
are
my
about.
face.
You run a company of makeup, cosmetics. The puppy. The puppy's gonna be treated nice. Jeffree Star
Having
is
some turbulence. I
loaded.
told Boom to power through. If I miss an eye,
Turbulence. What?
right, let's do a little mascara. The turbulence is a little wild, so we're just
So
gonna
with the turbulence doesn't stop you
give it a
putting on
whirl.
makeup. You're crazy.
You just once the turbulence bounces, you just gotta like bounce into the lash. You feel
You're
me?
crazy.
Technique.
Oh my gosh.
That's all about that
Daredevil.
turbulence technique, Miss Thane. Oh no,
Bitches,
no.
sickies.
She's looking cute. We're almost done.
Oh yeah.
We're here in
Of course you have
Dallas.
to
We have a
look
cute
nice.
soft beat. I'm gonna quickly go change my clothes, and my daughter
Oh my
will be
God.
here momentarily.
course, you have to change your clothes.
Alright, we're
Where
gonna
do you
get
go?
into the car,
Where you
go
getting your
do
puppy?
some quick changing. Oh my
Of course.
Oh, and then we're gonna see our new baby. See you in a few hours.
See you in a few.
I look forward to seeing this pup.
Thank you, mate.
Thank you.
All right, we'll see you in a bit.
Thank you, mate.
We'll see you in a bit.
He's got a whole car. That's a vibe.
Oh my god, you guys!
Look
This
at
is
that
our
puppy.
new baby! Hi, honey! I'm being really calm because she was just in the car, and she, hi, baby. Hi. I don't think new puppies like cars, but she's doing so good. Her eyes are so pretty, Chris.
She's so pretty.
Bless you, honey. Is she not so precious? I know. Don't you forget sometimes
so
when they're babies how little they
precious.
are? Hi. Her eyes are so cool. Like the coloring is insane. Hi, honey. What's she thinking? Are you ready to go home? Remember, Dessert was a small.
I know.
It's hard to fathom because he's a beast now. Look
Oh, look at
So
that.
tiny.
I know. I can't believe this is my 9th Pomeranian. It's so crazy to think about.
9th Pomeranian?
The smell of a puppy is so precious.
Smell of
little
puppies are
angel.
so precious.
Miss Donatella, we're about to board
They're cute.
a
They're
flight
cute.
home.
Make
Sweet
me one.
angel.
I love my Snickers.
Chris, look
If you guys like dogs, let me know in the comments.
Look at
If you
Dane.
guys like cats, let me know. If you guys have a dog, let me know.
Hi,
I'm always
baby.
intrigued in your comments. Let me know.
Hi, girl.
I love you.
I know I make mistakes, don't mean to come off hardy. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world.
Oh my god, that is nice. Look at that. Oh, look at that puppy. Oh, drinking water. Oh, so cute. Oh, look at those eyes. Look at that face. So cute.
Yeah, she's cleaning house, Miss
Yes.
Dane. You want a little more? Oh.
He's playing. She's
Alright, Donatella,
playing.
ready for your first
I still don't
landing?
want to make a Tom
Here we go, sis.
Aww.
Been nice on a touchdown.
Hi, sweet baby.
Aww.
Yes, Donatella, we're home.
She seems to like
been so
Jeffree
good.
Star.
So amazing.
She's eating good, she's drinking good, she went potty. And now it's time for her to
Oh,
go meet her
okay.
siblings.
Go.
Now Colin is at the
Ooh,
house.
that should be
He
interesting.
said the dog pen is ready and her little new home is all set for her. You ready, Miss
Let's
Donatella?
go.
Miss Donnie Lynn? How does the fresh air
Excited.
feel, sis?
So
Look at
nice.
Miss Donatella. All right, let's get this Miss Mama home. Hello,
Miss
guys.
Donatella.
We are here in Hidden Hills. Oh my
So-
God.
Man,
The
another
babies
car.
are behind the door, and they're
Jeffree
gonna
Star.
be so excited.
Can't.
Yeah. Let's pretend that we don't have a dog yet. That's my
Can't
favorite part.
start.
Donatella, you're home, sis.
Oh, look at those dogs. So many. So many.
Look, oh my God, they smell it. Look.
Many.
Drama.
So many dogs. Aww, they're following me. Jeffree Star. Aww,
I got a sister.
so cute. Oh, I love.
Drama. Drama, you got a sister.
Aww.
She's home. Dessert and Dommy have never been with the baby before. Look, she's probably overwhelmed. Let's go put her in her playpen.
So cute.
Look at her. Some water over here.
Wow, that's a big pen. I told you, she's treated better than me. She's gonna get treated better than me.
One at a time. Say hi to your brother. We're okay. She's a little intimidating. We're okay, little girl. That's your brother. Look at her though, Colleen.
Oh, so cute.
Isn't it so adorable? Like she loves Colin's beard. She's just waiting.
Look at her going to the camera. I love dogs.
Finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am because I don't feel as broken.
More dogs.
This is a sign that
First day around was so cute.
Oh, they're together looking at her.
The puppies honestly keep Diva young. Like
He has so many.
he's 12 years old and he's like,
Oh
yeah,
my god.
it's so cool. She travels really well. She was so good on the plane. She peed twice. She ate. She drank. Girl.
Aww.
Yes, sis. It's your sister, dude.
Oh, nice little jump. Yeah, a little jump.
So D, if you remember, Chris, Delicious is not like babies until they're a little older. I don't know, maybe like the small bothers him.
Too much energy, probably.
Yeah, maybe a little too much energy for D, even though he's this guard dog and always yapping.
Aww.
Alright, Lishy, let's say hi to her. Lishy!
Come say hi.
Look, you don't like it.
You're like, eh.
Just hanging out in the corner, huh? Yeah, we're not sure.
Oh no. Feisty dog.
Look at her playing for the first time. Oh my god!
Aww.
Baby! That's your little baby! You got your food, Zergy.
Aww.
Check him out, sis. Check him out, sis. He's a big man. He's a big man.
Aww.
Hey.
Oh.
Right, you guys, I think a lot of you know the drill by now. We're gonna raise our newborn in this little pen for a little bit, and then in a month or two, when all the shots are done,
Yes.
she's ready to roam around the house, the yard, and anything she pleases. But for now, this is Donatella's
Aww.
little world, and we are so excited. Look at Diva.
Aww.
Hi. So we'll be checking in over the next few days, but my heart is so full, and 2021 is going to be so
So
magical with our new baby. Dessert, you like her?
Yes,
Thank you guys so
2021.
much
What
for
are you looking
watching.
out for,
I am
Jeffree
so
Star? When you
excited,
need
and
dogs?
Donatella, we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.
So cute.
Okay, you guys, hello. It is day 3 since Miss Donatella has been home, and she's obsessed. Everyone is really chill with her. She's been having so much fun. Look, that's your sister. And she is the belle of the ball. Now, she's been sleeping for a few hours. She just woke up. Hi, Miss Thing. Dessert. Tell everyone how much you're in love with her. Say hi. Chris, isn't she perfect?
So cute.
She's so cool. Okay, let's go put her in her playpen so she can run around. Now the sun is hitting the chandelier from above with the rainbows, and she is in love with them. Hi, girl. Hi, sis.
Hi! Oh, come here!
Dessert's in love with her. They've been already playing a lot. Look at Zerdy smile. Zerdy.
What you doing, Zeddy?
Look at Dommy over there. She has the toy. She's been sleepy. She played a lot with them. And of course, I invited Chris over, and she wants to nap before. We've been trying to film her for like an hour, and she's like, hello, I'm tired. But hi, Miss Mama. Hey, Dommy. Look, give it to her. Come here, Zerdy. Let her have it. She's a baby.
They're fighting.
Dessert, let her have it.
They're fighting.
Hi, Mama. Look at her. here. Hey, honey.
Dommy,
Jeffree Star's loving her.
she's just a little baby.
Still, Donatello's a terrible name.
She's Scorpio, sis. You better be careful.
You gotta name your dogs better.
It's your rattler, honey.
Chris, you know that Donatella only eats out of Hermes silverware, right?
I didn't know that.
Yeah, she told me.
Oh, what do you mean?
I said, are you sure, girl?
Aww.
And she said, absolutely.
Oh, good girl.
Wow, 1, 2, 3.
All right, everyone, this has been such a magical start to 2021. Miss Donatella is fitting right in, and I'm
Yeah,
so
good
excited
start
for
for
her
you,
to really
Jeffree
get
Star.
settled here. Me and Miss Donatella are gonna go take a little nap. We're gonna go watch some Forged in Fire, and we will see you guys on the next
Nappy
video.
time.
Bye, guys.
Jeffree Star. Peace out. Alright guys, that's it for the video. That was a great video. I love puppies. I love dogs. Let me know if you want to have a dog. If you want a dog, let me know if you want to be like Jeffree Star in 2021 getting a new dog. He has 7, but that's crazy. That's crazy for me. 7 dogs. But he has the money to take care of all 7, so let him be. But see you in the next one.
Yeah, stop wasting my time.